Hi everyone, today I will show you how to make this simple snowfall effect in Unity using only particle system. Let's get started. Let's create one particle system and rename it to snow. Reset its position. Under renderer, change material to default particle which looks like more of snow. Then change shape to box. Make X scale and Z scale to 12, which fit in camera and also emit particles from backward. Let's move this top of the camera. Enable velocity over lifetime. Make linear X to random between two constants. Assign Y value to -1 and -2, which gives random velocity for emitting particles. Make start size to random between two constants. Assign value to 0.05 and 0.2, so it gives two random start size of particles. Change emission rate over time to 100. Now we have large particles emitting. And enable color over lifetime. Add 2 points on it and set alpha to 0 for both ends to make very soft fade in and fade out. Now add size over lifetime, something like this to make soft decreasing size of snow as it fades out. And last thing we can do is add noise on it, something like 0.2, which means we have very different sort of looks. Let's restart it. Now this is the final effect we got. Thanks for watching. See you in next tutorial. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe.